So I got a Ford F250. It's a 2008. It's got the 5.4 liter V8. And one day my truck just went into limp mode, and so I bought a scanner and I checked the code, and it said throttle body was bad. So I ordered one on Amazon, and it came, within a day or two. And it's super easy to remove the old one and put a new one in. You simply take these two bolts out, and that'll pop that cap off, and you unplug your little hose there. And then that throttle body has a plug that right there that you pull out, and then it has 4 bolts around it holding it in, and you just loosen those bolts and take them out and pop that right off. Pop your new one on, put your bolts back, put your plug back, put your breather on top back, and screw those 2 bolts in, and you're done. It's super easy to do. All my codes cleared and everything worked fine.